Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in filmmaking and visual storytelling, camera shots and the art of shot sequencing. Whether you're shooting a short film, a documentary, a YouTube video, or even a quick social media clip, every single shot you use needs a clear purpose. It's not just about making things look good. It's about guiding your audience. If a shot doesn't have a reason for being there, your viewers will feel lost and confused. Think about it in professional filmmaking. Shots are never just thrown together randomly. There's a deliberate visual order, a rhythm that pulls the audience into the story. A classic and effective sequence is moving from a wide shot to a medium shot, and then to a close-up. This progression is like a visual roadmap, helping your audience understand the scene piece by piece, from the general to the specific. Let's start with the wide shot, often called an establishing shot. Its primary job is to set the scene. It answers the crucial question, where are we? Where is this story taking place? A good wide shot gives the viewer a sense of the space, the environment, and the overall mood. Imagine a movie scene that starts inside a tense argument without first showing you where the characters are: a cramped apartment, a vast desert, or a busy office. Without that context, the scene loses a layer of meaning. The wide shot grounds the audience and prepares them for what's about to unfold. It's the foundation upon which the rest of your scene is built. Once you've established the location, it's time to move in for the medium shot. The purpose of a medium shot is to introduce your subject clearly. It typically frames a person from the waist up, allowing the audience to see their body language, posture, and general movements. At the same time, it keeps just enough of the background in view to maintain that sense of place you established with the wide shot. Medium shots are the workhorses of visual storytelling. You see them everywhere in interviews, dialogue scenes, and educational videos like this one. Why? Because they create a very natural and comfortable viewing experience. It feels like you're having a conversation with the person on screen, making it perfect for connecting with your subject without being too distant or too intense. Now, let's get personal with the close-up shot. This is where the magic really happens. A close-up is all about emphasizing emotion, highlighting facial expressions, or drawing attention to a critical detail. When you cut to a close-up, you're sending a powerful signal to the audience. Pay attention. This matters. It's a tool for creating intimacy, for bringing the viewer into the character's personal space and emotional world. Think of a tear rolling down a cheek, a hand nervously tapping on a table, or a key turning in a lock. These are the moments that drive the story forward, and the close-up ensures they have the impact they deserve. It's the shot that makes us feel what the character is feeling. Beyond this basic sequence, there's a whole toolbox of other shots that add nuance and style to your storytelling. Take the over-the-shoulder shot, for example. By placing the camera behind one character looking at another, it makes the audience feel like they are right there in the middle of the conversation, a silent participant in the dialogue. Then you have camera angles. A low-angle shot, looking up at a subject, can make them seem powerful, heroic, or intimidating. Conversely, a high-angle shot, looking down on a subject, can make them appear small, weak, or vulnerable. And for ultimate immersion, there's the point of view shot, or POV, which puts the audience directly into the character's shoes, letting them see the world through their eyes. Ultimately, choosing your shots is like learning a new language, a visual one. Each shot communicates something specific. Wide shots tell us where the story is. Medium shots tell us who is in it. And close-ups tell us why it's important. When these shots are combined effectively, you can tell a compelling story without a single word of dialogue. The sequence creates a rhythm that guides the viewer's attention and emotion. That is why mastering the purpose and sequence of shots is so essential. For anyone serious about filmmaking or content creation, it's the key to transforming a collection of random images into a powerful and coherent narrative. I hope this breakdown has been helpful for you. If you got some value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.